Up first this evening, the Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, has confirmed that Jamaica has at least one imported case of measles.
The confirmation came after the opposition spokesman on health raised concerns that the minister did not inform the House of the case.
But Dr. Tufton said he was not aware of the information ahead of checks made while in the House.
We have details in this report.
Mr. Speaker, I wish to advise this Honourable House.
A statement in Parliament on Tuesday by Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton. The topic, measles, an infectious disease now affecting sections of the region and the United States. Dr. Tufton, in his statement outlining the risk of the disease, spoke about what the government is doing to prevent an outbreak in Jamaica and used the opportunity to improve public awareness. He ended his statement with no mention of measles in Jamaica. His opposition counterpart, Dayton Campbell, however, raised concern.
I want to ask the minister, though, if he's aware of any cases of measles in Jamaica as of April 23, 2019, whether local or imported cases.
I don't know that there are any cases now imported. I am told by the Chief Medical Officer that she's not aware of any, whether imported or local.
Mr. Speaker, I am aware, and this is becoming a little bit too frequent for my liking. I am aware of at least one imported cases of measles within the last 30-day period. I cannot understand how it is that I could be made aware of these cases, but the ministry is unaware. This is not the first time that this is happening.
As Dr. Campbell questioned the reporting mechanism in the Ministry of Health, the House descended into chaos as the member from Portland Western, Darrell Vaz, questioned the opposition spokesman's motive.
Can't bully me.
Mr. Campbell. After a few minutes of pooing and throwing, with the speaker unable to regain control, Dr. Tufton was back on his feet.
Up to yesterday, I inquired and did not get such information. I will investigate the matter.
Then, a few minutes later, he interrupted the questions.
I've done some checks, Mr. Speaker. Technology is an amazing thing, and sometimes it's important to clarify. Otherwise, we can create emergency cases that are not necessary. So I am told that a case at Hospital, where the member works, the private hospital in Montego Bay.
He said because the case was not contagious, it was not a threat to the population, and so he stuck to his position that there were no imported cases of measles in Jamaica. An argument ensued over whether the case was imported or not, with neither yielding ground and Dr. Campbell still questioning why the minister was not informed about the situation prior to coming to Parliament. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.